Are you looking for a competitive price camera which features everything you wanted to have within one package? Capable to work with your NVR unit, looks solid and robust, come with the cloud, micro SD card as well as a hard drive storage, and also have a connectivity with the Wi-Fi as well as Ethernet? If yes, this video is for you. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this all new Wansview W5 Full HD 1080p wireless cloud outdoor IP camera, which come with a fantastic specification and great features, starting with fitted with the lens which is 2 megapixel and the perfect night vision to give you fantastic quality in the dark. Now camera also come with the basic and useful features like a two-way audio communication, remote access using the Wansview cloud application which is available for Android as well as for iOS users. Also compatible to work with your Amazon devices as well without any problem. But that's not it guys, you can also use this camera with your NVR units as long as they support ONVIFF protocol. That is a very good feature, to be honest with you. You can record 24/7 on your NVR using this camera, and on top of it camera also come with the micro SD card slot which supports up to 128 GB of local storage. Now if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing. Here on my channel I tend to go extra mile, providing each and every detail about the product I am reviewing, starting with the features which we just discussed and unboxing, following with the setting up the whole system and the demonstration of its quality. By the end of the video you will have an idea that is this particular product which I'm showing is for you or not, without my conclusion even. Now if you would like to purchase this product, link is also available in the video description. So without wasting too much of time, let's go ahead with the unboxing. So here we have everything which come with this camera system, starting with quick installation guide, couple of screws to mount the camera, Allen key to adjust it, and a waterproof cover for your Ethernet port, one Wi-Fi antenna, one 1-meter Ethernet cable, one 12-volt power adapter, one Phillips screwdriver, and now in last but not least, Wansview W5 Full HD 1080p outdoor security camera, which from the build quality is all aluminium, looks solid as well. Camera comes with the 2 megapixel lens as well as the plenty of infrared lights to give you perfect crispy night quality video as well. Now under the camera base we have a speaker output and a compartment to install the micro SD card, which can be opened by provided Phillips screwdriver. So here we have a speaker with a waterproof sleeve and a micro SD card slot inside. Now camera also come with the full 360-degree adjustment by using the provided Allen key within the package. Just simply loosen them up and adjust how you want it to get the perfect view. About this camera lens, I forgot to mention that it covers a 100-degree wide angle, which is decent enough to cover your back garden as well as the porch if you want to. Now camera can be connected with internet using the Wi-Fi connection or wired if you want to. Come with the input of 12-volt power cable as well as the reset pin within the wiring as well. Now let's go ahead with the powering up the camera first time and installing the application to configure it on our mobile phone. Now as soon camera is powered, you're going to see the status indicator light on the RJ45 connector. Now app to configure this Wansview W5 camera is available for Android as well as for the iOS users. So I'm using on Android, so I'm going to open up my Google Play Store and search for the application called Wansview. Now in here you're going to see the Wansview cloud application. Open it up and install it. Once installed, open up right from there, where first you need to create account with the Wansview cloud application by pressing the sign up button. Now once you created account with the Wansview application, you will be on this home screen. At this stage you need to make sure that your camera is powered up and green and orange light are flashing on RJ45 connector. After that you need to click onto the add devices and select your camera from the list down below and choose the connection. I would like to go with the Wi-Fi connection, so I'm going to select the Wi-Fi. You can go with the wired if you want to. Now just follow the application to connect your smartphone device with the camera, where first is going to ask you the credential for the Wi-Fi which will be used by the camera. At this moment of time it only supports 2.4 gigahertz.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan. QR code scan is successful. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected.
Now, whatever communication and setting up procedure is happening between your mobile phone and a camera, you're going to hear this all on an audible notification.
The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
Well, you heard the notification. Now let's change the name of your camera if you want to. I'm going to call it Backyard. You can give any name you like to and press OK. Here is going to ask you for the cloud service if you wanted to enjoy a month free trial. I'm not really much of bother, to be honest with you. Camera is successfully added within your application and is available right in here. You can straight away go to see the live feed. Now camera is connected with internet and app is working as well. Let's quickly install this camera outdoor and have a look into the app later on, and I'll be also showing you all the features the app offers and what is the quality comes out of this camera too. Well, it took me half an hour to install this camera because most of it is hard wiring, other than the communication, which is Wi-Fi, but you can have an Ethernet as well. The good thing about my system, which you see here, I got a whole pipeline around my house, so putting any new camera system is just a doddle for me. I will make a video about that in the future as well, so stay tuned on that too. Now, Wansview application is very user-friendly, and accessing all your settings of your camera is straightforward by pressing the camera cog button. Here you're going to see the information for your camera name, camera turn on and off, if you would like to invite a friend and family member, which I will be also showing you in the video as well. I have seen it complaints from people that it doesn't work. I will show you in the video does it work or not. Then you have got the advanced setting, which is for the sound, where you can change stuff like upright position if you're moving the camera upside and down and stuff like that. Pretty decent actually. Camera also come with the speaker. You can increase the volume if you want to for two-way audio communication, and also the status indicator light on it. Then you have the time zone for the camera system and ONVIFF option. ONVIFF is basically a protocol which you use on your NVR systems. This camera comes with it. By press of one button you can turn it on and off, and you can also activate the verification on it as well. Verification means that there will be a password and the username if you want to. The next option we have is for the motion detection, which I have set to the minimum at this moment of time because I have seen this motion jumpy quite a lot. Then we have an option for the memory card, which I have not installed in a camera because I am using ONVIFF, recording everything on my NVR unit. Then you down below you also have option for the device information, what connection of the network you wanted to use. I had an Ethernet available, so that's what I'm using, but you have got a Wi-Fi as well, which I showed you in the beginning of this video. You can also manage your device by resetting it or restoring down to the factory settings. Now this is pretty much it within the app, and now on the home screen you can add more devices like cameras from Wansview. You can get your all alerts right in here for the different cameras and whatever time it happens, everything in well structured manner. And if you have a cloud account with Wansview, you're going to see this all in here. Then all about your FAQ and stuff like that. Now application is very straightforward and user friendly. Now, as I have mentioned to you guys in the beginning of this video, that this Wansview W5 camera is capable to work with ONVIFF protocols. So if you have an NVR unit which is capable to work like that, you can just simply enable this ONVIFF protocol and store all the data on your NVR unit rather than storing on the micro SD card on the camera itself. Now this ONVIFF protocol can be enabled from the settings of your camera, where within it you can see this ONVIFF available. Just turn it on. Now when you turn it on, the only thing you need to remember that what is the port number on it, as well if you would like to add extra verification like a password or anything like that, you can do that as well. Now I'm going to disable this one because I'm not bothered trying that way. So only thing I need to enable it is the ONVIFF protocol and the port. simply save it. Now on my NVR unit, I need to right click and go into the video manage. Now in here, I need to make sure I can scan all type of them and click onto the refresh. Now if my camera is available on the network, it should be appearing up right in here. There we go. Now you can see that right in here, which is this one, which is Wansview camera. IP number is also available and it's on ONVIFF protocol. Simply select this one and click onto the auto add and yes. Now once camera is successfully added in list down below, you can press OK and you should be able to see it right on your screen in here. Now the camera which we have installed is this one here. Now you can easily check that the live feed which is on your mobile phone as well which is recording on the NVR unit are exactly the same thing. Now with the help of this kind of a system, you will be recording your camera 24/7 and in case of any alarm, you're gonna get it on your mobile phone too by using the Wansview application. Now let's have a look into the feature of inviting a family member to connect to the same Wansview camera. I have seen these people complaining about it that part don't work. So let me check it out in front of you that does it work or not. So first thing you gotta do, go click onto the camera system cog and go and click on invite family member. Click on share button and search for the media of sharing, actually the way you would like to share this connection to. I'll use a WhatsApp or you can use Gmail, email, whatever you want. Send an invitation to my family member. Once they got it, I'm gonna go and check on their mobile phone they got it or not. Yes, the message is received, no problem. Now when you open up the message, these are the procedures which you need to follow. First thing you gotta do is open up the Wansview Cloud application and sign up for your account. Now following all the instructions which are received on the message for the invitation, I have downloaded the Wansview application and created a new account as well. Now I need to go back onto the invitation message again and copy the information about the camera, which is as simple as pressing the receive button in here and confirming it. And there we go. Now I have got the camera which is available on my other account right inside this new account as well. Now both have got the cameras available, I suppose. I should be able to see something, but I get is this message. So I can click on the refresh, just wait for it to finish off, or consider it that this part need a software update which is not available at this moment of time. Now let's check out how quickly we get the notification when we come in front of the camera. Okay, right there is our camera. Well, notification came in 15 seconds. It also depends upon the internet speed you have on your smartphone device, but not bad at all, to be honest with you guys. Now let's have a very quick look on the live feed of this camera system, which is running on my mobile phone as well as on my NVR unit, which is connected directly on my television. Now here I am outdoors and honestly the weather is shocking. It's cold, windy, it is rain, and what else you expect from this? Me in my pajamas. It's not that bad actually, guys. It's not really that bad. Job is a good one, job is good one. You can also get the notification if somebody is at your back garden. So here we are at the end of this video, that what I think about this Wansview W5 Full HD 1080p wireless cloud outdoor IP camera. Well, all the features I have seen and shared with you in this video, I hope it covered all your expectation. Now, having a feature connecting this camera with your NVR system is awesome. You really don't need a cloud storage. The big hard drive you got on your NVR should cover up everything. But you also have a micro SD card slot on this camera, which can go up to 128 gigabytes. Not bad at all to keep the data for at least 1 month. Now, the daytime as well as the nighttime of the live feed of the camera is fantastic. Works great on your NVR connected with your television as well as on your mobile phone. Now, whenever you have any motion detected around your camera, you're also going to see the notifications too. And yes, I do realize that the invitation part, sharing your camera with your friends and family members, don't work. But I suppose with the next update, it should be sorted for sure. Now, that will be all from my side. I hope you guys like this video. If you do so, why not hit the like button and subscribe for more as well. Here on my channel, I'm going to bring so many fantastic video reviews in detail. And please kindly share what sort of camera system you have. I would like to know that in comment section down below. See ya then, guys. Bye for now.